My healing, I call it the body awakening because I connect the 5 elements of the air into the body's five senses to connect the energy of the people. I concentrate in manipulating the connective tissue of every human being that I call it the magic wetsuit. So this magic wetsuit that is covering you, protecting you, maintaining us standing up, protecting us from the sun of light and all these kind of things. By manipulating that fascia, you release and move a lot of emotions and patterns and beliefs and traumas that we have all our life. What I came to teach is how important it is to flow and to share your energy and to activate and connect your energy to be less stressed, to don't have depression, anxiety, anger, judging, criticizing. Just feel, live your body, enjoy what is happening in your body, in your 5 senses with the 5 elements, and be connected and love other people the same way you love yourself.